DJT Stock Analysis tomorrow, Wednesday, and onward. Is Trump Media stock a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So this is how my technical analysis looks like before I get into the details. I'm bullish though, but yeah, just for context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. I'm telling you this at the beginning because that builds a lot of context behind my message, and also that is the truth. I've documented everything. So what I was waiting for the price to give me is for it to come back into my gray area, which is my demand area, in which I pretty much like would take opportunities. Like that's the only way where I would take opportunities if the price is in my demand area. And you can see that's a very refined point. Like it's not that big of a deal, you could be saying, but that is a big deal. The only way that I will still move forward is if the price still comes down into the demand area and then starts giving me the double break. Then and only then I'm really going to be bullish. And this is always only for now and not forever, right? So if I go take a look at the 2 hour, like if it goes without me here, right, that's fine. I'm not really just gonna FOMO in. Then all I'm gonna do is just follow my rules. So this is not financial advice. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.